Tutorial about one flash in using the sun. Here is the set. I will show you the set first and the schematics. Here we have the model. Hello, say hello.
Hi.
Alright, the model is here, so we position the model here on this beautiful scene. We have the 3D depth of field created by the road, and we have some very distinctive light patterns. And here is the sun, so the model will be here positioned in here. So we're going to use the natural sunlight. The ISO will be 100. The f-stop will be what we have f-stop here, we have 3.5. that is good enough. We'll bring the model a little bit closer, and now here we're going to take bunch of shots, and we'll show you the shots later. Now the good part comes in here by positioning this one simple flash here. This is Godox T660. That's the most primitive, the most simple flash. We set the flash on 16th of power. Now for the hertz I will talk about later for advanced photographers. So now here is the model. I want to show you the set. Here we are in some park. Here there is a lake, so the sun comes here. That the sun will naturally create Rembrandt lighting, 45 degrees. We are about the model. All right, the model will be right here. Perfect. Now look over towards the sun, and now we're gonna shoot from over there. So we're gonna position the model here, and then we're gonna position the flash right behind the model, so to not be in our shot here. Now what this light will do here, it will cut out the model here, and it will create so-called rim effect. It will have like very distinctive light pattern around the head, around this, all this stuff. So now let's take some pictures and show you the results. We're going to be shooting from here. Now the sun, it's changing a little bit, so we're going to wait for the good sun. We'll show you the pictures right away.